Right, that's the liquid clear. Right, I'm going to start with this blue, mix that in with the green together. I'm going to start from here. I'm going to bring this down probably about sort of halfway there. I'm going to go straight in with this purple, okay? Load up the brush. Purple, purple. So all down here. Scrubbing this in. Let's just pull this purple in just a little bit. Nice dog white there. I've just sort of spread this out from the sort of middle, and I'm going to come back here and just lighten this up. Probably darker towards the edges. So basically I'm just creating a nice little glow here to begin with, and then we're going to blend this out. Just going to pull this out now. Staying more into the blue to begin with, and then I'm going to go into that sort of purple back into the middle. It doesn't really matter because the colours will be blending, but because I'm going to put a bright spot there. Now I'm going to go this way, just blend all this in. There we go, look at that. Just want a bright spot here. Just make a little sort of a brighter spot there. I'm going to go somewhere like this. I'm going to make this quite sort of faint but big. Bring that in and just make it more gentle. Right, mix that black into that colour, the blue, the purple. Mix some of this white, this here and there. That's nice. Okay, for this. And we're going to make a nice little sort of scene. Some little bushes and stuff in the background. Bring all this down. It's about here. Let's go with this blue here. Put that in there. Just darken this up. This is all different kinds of bushes and stuff. I might do a layer like that and then create some mist. Little trees, and you can just make out some green. This is playing around with some mist in some sort of bushy sort of feel to it. Just gently just create that little bit of mist in there between all these little bushes and stuff there. Just I think I'll use the black and blue together here, mix them together, probably into the little bit of that grey there. I'm just going to create some little things that live here. Maybe it could be like a little grassy area or something. I can play with that. Yeah, we could have a little sort of stream coming through there. I'm going to blend this out here. I'm going to really sort of blend this out here. Not much room to manoeuvre, but just a little bit there, something like that. Water could come down here and then just sort of have a little flow there. Maybe there's one just there. We're going to change the colour of these as well. Just lift up lightly here. We can just change the colour of that so it's more purplish. We got that green there, and I'm also going to add a little bit of yellow. I think I've just got the last squeeze of yellow out of there. Grassy areas on here. Leave that kind of dark over there, but we're going to bring this colour in across here. can change the way the land goes here. I'm going to leave that sort of darkish over there. Yeah, definitely. I don't know how far I'm going to come over here, but maybe we could sort of come down like this. Might do some sort of rocky areas down here. So I'm just going to put a little bit of dark down here, scattered dark, because we know that's purple. So I'm just putting a bit of black on, some different shading. Let's just try some things here. I'm using the fan brush there, just putting this across. Still, sort of things, very gently. Maybe we have one that sort of comes across here. Add some little probably some little greenery stuff in here as well. I'm using a small brush here. That's really sort of purple over there. Certainly a different sort of way to do this. Just going to build this up. Just got to think about how the sort of light catches it, you know. Some little things hanging down, maybe growing on the rocks. Leaving some dark areas. What this looks like. Some little splashes here. Turn this into some water. Might do the water just slightly different tonight. This is the water coming. Let's go to about there to begin with. Really going to pull this out here. Water, make that sort of go there. Pull this out here. Just some shapes, maybe something like that. Let's go something like that to there. Sort of get a bit of movement on this water so it's kind of flowing, okay? Okay, I'm just going to do this. I don't know how this is going to work out. I'm going to blend this out and just hopefully create some kind of flow here. I don't know how this is going to work, but it might work. I'm going to put a bit more colour over here, just to... This is good, really good practice here for me, because I have never done water like this before. So it's a trial and error. let's give it a go. If it doesn't work, you can get rid of it, right? I wanted it sort of flow. So you got a bit of sort of each way flow there, you know? Make some kind of sort of shape there, I think. I want to try and create some lumpy bumpy rocks. I'm going to put the colour on first and then just very lightly go over them. So something you can use the palette knife as well to do this. Some little rock things here and there. Look. Some steep ones, some yeah, a little bit of greenery in there. We're kind of good to go, I think. Don't have to see too much. Just some bits growing around. Think of where the light might be striking from the moon. You can just put a little bit up the top there. So, you ready? This can change everything. I forgot that the thing wasn't thing there wasn't on. And just have a bit going off over here. Now, just some little things. This is the bit I was talking about. Just over sort of hanging the moon, but not too much. Just a tad. There we go. Have some big ones, some small ones. Create just sort of just a little bit of some twigs here. Okay, so Moonlight Falls. Paint number 350. My painting number 350. Right, here we go guys, I'm going to show you a closer look. This is why I love painting, I just love it, absolutely love it. There we go. Super duper love it. Well done. Thank you, Ju. Much appreciated. Oh, that's good. Do you sell prints of all your paintings? Yes, I do, Sarah. I sell prints of everything. So if anyone wanted a print of this one, I can do it. There is a print section on my website. Anything on my website you can order a print of. You have to go into prints, and there's one thing, you know, saying order a print. You can put the paint number in there. They're all numbered. Some are up there already. It's just that I don't have time to get them all scanned and put them up on the website. But you can order a print of any painting on the website. But yeah, that's tonight's painting, guys. Lovely bit of mist in the background.